Oh, this is gonna blow your mind. Penguins use pebbles to pop the question. Yep, you heard that right. Male penguins go on a quest to find the smoothest pebble they can. They waddle around, searching high and low. When they finally find the perfect one, they carry it back to their special someone. If the lady penguin likes the pebble, she'll take it, and they become a couple. Then, they team up to build a cozy nest together. It's like the ultimate penguin real estate project. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? Pebbles equals penguin love. Subscribe for more amazing facts.